She would have already been out the door, right?
Yes, already out the door, running away.
What's going on, girls? Huh? Come on. Nothing.
No.
Well, therefore our pet stop controller is housed in, right in here. So basically we come out here, go down, all the way around the home, and we cross the driveway right here. This is the driveway crossing. When weed eating, the homeowner doesn't have to worry about, or edging, cutting the wire here because our wire is tucked all the way down underneath. And we can come all the way up over here. And it follows all the way across the yard. We buried the line all the way right around in here. As you can see, evidence, there's probably no evidence of the trench, but it goes all the way around the fence yard. It protects them from digging under the fence, as well as
That's where they could have gotten out before.
yeah. Over here's the biggest gap, the bigger gap here. Right up in this area here is where they were getting out. You can notice that the homeowner put up some screening right up in here, and now she just doesn't have to deal with that anymore.